I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and after that I type like this 29C1. So 29C1. So no problem if this is capital letter or small letter. So you must tab like this 29C1. Then you must go to your computer keyboard once again, and you can see this is the Alt key and this is the S key. So you must press these two keys at the same time. One of your fingers should be in this Alt key and another is in this S key. So if you press these two keys at the same time, then this will be the result. That is, you can see that inside a circle a greater than sign is there. So circle the greater than symbol we have created by a simple method. Is first type like this 29C1, and after that press these two keys at the same time for creating a circle greater than symbol. Hope this video is for more videos. Subscribe. Thank you.